Hi gorgeous, and this is James Store and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a new tutorial. So this is gonna be a different tutorial because today's video I'm gonna show you how to put contact lens on into your eyes in as easy of 1, 2, 3. So the fact that you are here because you want to know how I'm going to use this one, how to put my contact lens on. So without further ado, please don't skip and keep on watching. And if you are new here, please do subscribe, like and share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I will post my new video. Yes, let's jump into the video. So first thing, we are going to get our contact lens. Maybe you are wondering, you are maybe asking, where did I get this contact lens? So I got and bought this one actually in online shopping, which is Shopee. So I got this for only 130 pesos. Yes. So napakamura lamang po. It's only 130 pesos. So it's going to be this product. That one, iShare Color Soft contact lens. So I've got almost five contact lenses right now. So I ordered the last two this week. Yes, and that's it. And all of them are from the iShare company. So this iShare has a content of two soft. So it also says here that in attention, so I will read it for you. Please follow the instruction to wear and take care of contact lenses in a proper way. Replacement frequency yearly. So therefore, it's all 1 year to the time na gagamitin mo ito. And then it says here, please follow the instruction. So nalilito ako kung paano natin susunod yung instruction because yung nakasulat dito is Chinese. That one. Paano natin babasahin yan kung hindi naman tayo marunong bumasa ng English? So, ayan. Before po, nakuha ko to yung I ordered this one in Shopee. So, this is coming from China, Guangdong, Shenzhen, 1F Building, 812 Industrial District, Xi'an Street, 1 District. So, it was ordered 11/12/2019. So, this is fresh from China. So I know the fact that it's really hard to like read all of this stuff because it's written in Chinese. I don't care what is this. So we are going to start with this. But before that, I'm gonna show you what is the solution that I'll be using. So for my solution, I am using this Thimerosal Free Lens Care. This one. Multi-purpose solution. So for soft and disinfect, gas permeable, cleans and contact lenses rinses stores manufactured by the. So if any allergic reaction occurs, discontinue. Of course, you discontinue use and consult immediately to your eye doctor. So this was manufactured June 2019. Expiration is June 2020. Our lenses is actually sealed in this kind of form. So we are going to open that one. Ayan. So, of course, we need to get that one out from the, what to call this? Tawag dito. Basta yun na yun. And then we are going to clean that one because it was stored for how many, or we don't know when was that the last time that it was stored there. So we need to clean that one using this Lens Care multi-purpose solution. So we are going to get some, and then how to clean that one, we are going just to rub that one here like this. It's on that way. Then you have to get that one. And to become more safer, so you need to get another solution, then wash, then like that, scrub, back to back dye. Okay, para di mabuta. Like that one. Pugaw di. So now this time, before you put this one onto your eyes, you need to check if the lens is correctly positioned to its actual position, because sometimes we don't actually know what's the real position or the correct positioning of the contact lens. So for you to know it, I have this visual aid, of course, and make for you visual aid. This one, it's going to be like this. So this one, the side like that, if the form is going to be like that, it's not in the proper position. So you need to know that one, that it should be in the curve one with this one, perfect curve. So it's on the proper positioning. So how to check that one? You need to see like this one here. Yeah. If it's already done with that, if it's in the proper positioning, so you can actually get it and use that one and put it onto your eyes. Now, please reminder, if you don't know, if you cannot see these things like the curved one, yung dapat gawin mo is to see the color, because sometimes yung backside niya is like shady and the other side is cool of color. So the cool of color will, the colorful one or the brightened color will be like the one outside that can be seen in your outer ball or into your outer eye. So that's going to be that way if you cannot see the curve choo-choo like then. So this time we are going to put this one onto our eyes now. So the right position, or even like, it's up to you how to get that one. That it seems to be like an easy way for me to put this one when I'm using my middle finger, and I put that one here in my upper eyelid, and then my middle finger in this one in the lower eyelash. Then it's going to be place your lenses into your right pointer finger. So what you are going to do, you have to open your eyes, then just put, oh my gosh, it's windy here. Wow, windy. You need to be like that one. Then once it's properly placed, then you look up, then tang tang. So once the contact lens is already impact, or I mean attached to your eyes, then you need to use this Lens Care multi-purpose solution and cry. So para ma-form siya and then place into a proper positioning, you need to like look up, then see forward. So this time we are going to put again the left side. So at the same process, we need to clean this one because hindi po natin alam kung kailan po ito nailagay dyan. So baka it's been a long time na being stored in its packaging, so we need to wash that one so that it will become safe. And then para hindi maging sa mata natin, like irritating. So you need to know. And if you feel like irritation into your eyes, please discontinue that one, because once irritation is happened, it might be some of the indication na hindi kailangan natin gumamit ng contact lens, or maybe it's not applicable to our eyes. So now this time we are going to put on this contact lens into the left side. So the same process. See, like that. Okay. And then look up. Then that's it. And we are going to put this one, the solution. So that's it. So we're done putting our contact lenses to our eyes. So that's the process. Now this time I'm going to show you how to get this one and then place this one into their cases. So I'll be using my the 4 other lenses that I have here to show you how does it look like. So now maybe you are wondering, ano ba yung vision ko, or ano ba yung the way I look? It's just the same, or anything. It's just the same, pero sometimes you feel like you know that there's something that is there's something into your eye. So mararamdaman mo yung contact lens na ginamit mo, and then that's it. It's going to be like this. It's really good in eyes. So I'm not using this one for like 1 hour whatsoever, because I don't feel like using this one for more than 1 hour. So I'm just using contact lenses whenever I am using or wherever I am making or creating videos like this. So that's it. After the video, I will remove one, put into my case, and that's it. So process, step-by-step process. So this time we are going to get the cases, the case of your contact lens. So make sure that it is clean so that malinis din yung ating paglalagyan. So you know how to clean your contact lens, then you should know how to clean your contact lens on. Now this time, before we put our contact lens into our case, we are going to get this one. So, ito yung pinaka-easy way kaysa sa paglagay ng ating contact lens sa ating mata, because it sometimes doesn't fit into your eyes, or maybe sometimes pag nailagay na siya, hindi ka siyang lalabas like that one. Pero, when you are getting that one, it's very simple and that's it. So, when you get your contact lens, it is just like this one. You get it there. And then, before you put it into the case, you should wash that one. Yes. So, you need to wash that one. The same process, yung paglinis mo at yung pagkuha mo, and then before you put that one into your case. Now, once it is being done, you need to put then this one into the case. So, make sure kung anong nilagyan mo, the first one, it should be the same place forever. So, para malaman mo kung anong side siya nagamit mo, then it will be the indication for you to use. Kung sa right side siya, palaging sa right side. If sa left side, left side. So, this time, we are done with the blue shade. Now, this time, we are going to use this somewhat like orange or brown shade. Ito gagamitin. The same process pa rin yung gagamitin natin. You have to wash it because it was sealed for very long time, because hindi natin alam kung kailan to na ilagay dyan. So, you need to do the step-by-step process before you put it into your eyes. So this time, it's on the shade of orange, or I guess it's something like brown, because it's not been said here if it's what kind of shade is that. As I can see, it's like somewhat like orange or brown. That's it. So this time, I'll be using my favorite contact lens in the shade of gray. So this time, I'm using now with the gray shade. Now, I've been using this one, so it's almost 2 weeks that I've been using this one for my vlog. And then, since I put it already in my case, so what you are going to do, the same process, dapat hugasan mo before you put it into your eyes. And then once you will put that one back into their case, you need to get the water off on the case, and then you clean it up, because we need to put it a new solution, as we are going to put back the lenses that we used today, which is this one. So it should be clean so that it will be stored like safe, so you can use that one in new videos or further use. So that's it. So we are going to get that one the same as we did earlier, and then you wash it using your solution, and then okay, that's it. And then we are going to put that one here in the case, and then we need to put that one with the fresh and new solution, and make sure that it is placed on the place that wherein we get that one, and then tighten up with a cup using the label, which is on the right side, so it should be like in the right side. So, and this one on the side. And now this time we are down to our iconic contact lens, which is on the shade of white. So this is something like so creepy at all, because you can see like white color only into our eyeballs. So yung nakikita ko in my vision, the one that I can see outside, it's just like all white. It's just like lahat cloudy. But I can see, nakakita pa naman ako, and then, but it's just like it's not that clear as usual because it is trapped, because there is something with the white boxes, or it's like an interwoven texture. I mean, that texture like look like interwoven, look like that when you see outside it is more than like whitey, cloudy, whatsoever that vision. So this gonna be our last look, I mean contact lens that we will be wearing. So if you think that I've helped you so much with this tutorial, please hope you like this one. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. And if needed, gusto ko pong you put or you click the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time that I will be posting my new videos, tutorials, and whatsoever. So that's it. So it's going to be this thing. Okay, let's call it a day and see you to my next video. Bye everyone.